Hi, welcome to Betamel, where today we're going to be installing an outside security box for a key, and I'll show you the tools we're going to use now. So, I've got an extension reel, which is going to power up this hammer drill. I've then got a pin hammer, which is going to be able to tap in these wall plugs. I've got the security box itself, the appropriate drill bit, a bit of hearing protection and eye protection as well, and then I've got a Sharpie marker pen so I can mark out the holes that I need to drill onto the wall. So first job, nice and easy. I've just lined up the security box where I want it, made sure it's all level just by eye, and then I've pushed the Sharpie through those holes. That's then marked those holes on the back on the wall. So now I can drill to the required depth for these wall plugs. So a little top tip here, what you can do once you've popped your drill bit, that's the required thickness, so your wall plug can go in. As on this one here, you can actually mark off with tape the required depth. On this one it's pretty straightforward, so I know that I'm basically going to go to just before halfway on this drill bit, so I don't go too deep for the wall plug itself. So I'm not going to bother taping it off from this one. So I've taken my little device here, popped it in. I'm just going to keep turning this until it grips hold of the drill bit itself. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then I can store this back down through here, this little rubber tab, so it just pushes into place, because these things are really easy to lose, so I always just keep it on that rubber tab there. Next thing, I'll make sure I've got my goggles, hearing protection on, and I'm just going to drill to the required depth then through those 4 holes. So next part of the process, you're going to need your appropriate screwdriver. I need a Phillips head or a crosshair in this instance. I've placed the security unit onto the wall itself, lining up with the wall plugs behind, and now all I can do is just pop the screw in, and then righty-tighty until it's nice and snug. I'm not going to completely tighten up all these screws because I might just want to adjust just so I can get that security unit nice and level, nice and vertical before I do the final tighten. That's the security box mounted now, nice and securely. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for watching.